Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a bunch of professional email accounts on G Suite all at once using an Excel file to make things easy. This is a great way to set up emails for a big team. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so stay with me till the end. We will be needing an Excel file which contains the details of users whose email accounts needs to be created. I have already downloaded it on my laptop. So this is the file which I'm talking about. It has student ID, first name, middle name, last name, roll number, and section. And there are 356 users information in this particular Excel file. Let me just put it back. Now I'll open up Google Chrome using the G Suite account. So it is this one. There are multiple ways to access the admin portal. Either you can come to the address bar and type admin.google.com as you can see right here, or you can just come next to the profile icon. There is a Google Apps menu. Click on that and look out for admin. So here it is. So clicking on this will open the admin console to you. So this is the layout of the home page. The first thing which we are going to do is get under directory and look out for organizational units. Organizational units help us in classifying and categorizing the email accounts. So as you can see that our parent organizational unit is this, the name of the college, Guru Nanak College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Under this we have 4 organizational units. Now I will be creating one under students. So let me say that it is going to be test. So I'll click on the create organizational unit, test space 2024. Please take care of the punctuation and the spacing which you are going to use here, because we will be later on needing to reproduce this as it is. The description, it is optional. I'm currently going to leave it blank. Now I want this test 2024 to come under students. So under the next one, parent organizational unit, I'm going to click on this edit button and I want it to be under students, so I will select students and click on done and create. Let us check if it has been created. So here you can see that we have the organizational unit test 2024 being created. Now next you need to go to the users menu. We will quickly check the users in the organizational unit which we just created. So on the left, you can see that all organizations, you select users from selected organizational units. We had created test under student. So click on this little arrow here and look out for test 2024. So you see that currently we do not have any users in this. Now we are going to create users in this particular organizational unit. So for that, we need to come to this menu on the top here. So you have add new user, bulk update users, download users, and more option. We'll start with the bulk update users. Click on bulk update users. You get a dialog box. Step 1, download CSV file. In this, you have 2 options. Select the second one, download blank CSV template. So I'm putting it in the downloads folder. The name of the file is users.csv. And let us open this now. So this is what it looks like. So you see that we have a lot of columns. We have all the way up to AB. Not all columns needed to be filled up. We will be filling up only the mandatory fields which are required, and that is column A for the first name, column B for the last name, column C for the email address required, column D password, column F organizational unit path, and column Z which is for change password at next sign in. I'll open up the Excel file which I had earlier showed to you. So student list. So right now you can see that we have the first name all the way here. We're creating email accounts for the sake of this video only for 100 users. So let me delete the remaining ones. So here we have Now let's say for row number 11, student first name Pranay, I want his email account to look something like this: Pranay dot, his last name is Avsare @gncasa.org. This is what I want it to look like. So we don't want to do it manually for every user. What we will do is, in column G, in the first cell, we will type a formula, begin with equal to, pick up the first name. The first name has the cell address B2, so that will be B2. Now after the first name, we want a period to be inserted. So for that, we will put on ampersand. Under double quotes, you put the text or the characters which you want. So we have put under double quotes full stop or period, followed by the last name. So again, press ampersand. The last name is in cell D2, so we'll type D2. Then this is followed by a text @gncasa.org. So again, ampersand, and under double quotes, you type the text which you want to be filled up and hit enter. So we get the email account has been created for the first user, aditya.aditya@gnc.org. Let me delete this. Now for the successive users, what we will be doing is coming on to the cell in which we have entered the formula and quickly double clicking here, and we have email IDs being generated for 100 students in this Excel file. Now we need to run a couple of checks to column G, the email addresses. So the first one is that there should be no duplication. One user will have only one email account. We cannot have 2 or 3 users having the same email account. So for that, select column G. In the ribbon, come to the home menu, come to the styles group, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. And you have a dialog box, click OK. So let us scroll down and see if we have any highlights. So here you can see that we have a highlight for Sumit Gupta. So there are 2 different students here and they have the same email account. So this will create an error if I upload this file at the user template. So we need to make changes to their email account. Now since this is a formula, do not make changes here. You can make changes here. So let me just add the initial of the middle name, Sumit B, and for this let me add the initial as Sumit R. So you can see that the email IDs are distinct now. Alternatively, you could manually type in the new email addresses as you want over here. So this is the first check. The second check is that there should be no spacing in the email addresses that you have created. So again, for that we will head to the conditional formatting menu, highlight cell rules, text that contains, and delete whatever is typed and press a space and click OK. So you can see the email addresses which have space in them have been highlighted here. So for this, what we need to do is, we have the Raksha space Khatun. Now again, you will not edit here because you can see that this is a formula. So you need to see that the space bar is in the first name cell. So I'll come here in first name and I'll delete this space. Same for Ayush Yadav. Now Ayush Yadav, the space is in the surname part. So we'll come to the last name column and delete it. Kumari Preeti, first name, delete the space. And we have 3 more to go. We are good to go now. I'll copy the first name and paste it in the user template file. So view, switch windows, user CV, first name, Control V for paste. Last name again, go back to the earlier file, select the last name. Open the template, paste, email addresses. For email addresses, we will not do the conventional copy paste. Since you can see that these are formulae, they are not actually email addresses, they are formulae. So we'll copy it from here, and while pasting it in the template, we are going to paste special. So that could be accessed by right click. There is a group of paste option, and from that you select paste values. So we have the email IDs which have been there, which are there. Now password required, you could create individual passwords for all the users. I'll be giving a common password to all. Let me say that it is test @2024, I'll type it one more time, 2024, then select both and autofill. For the organizational unit, come to the organizational unit, and here you see that this is the parent organizational unit. Under this, these are the first level organizational units, and I want all the users to be added in this second level organizational units. So for that, you have the first level organizational unit as students. So we'll be typing here / students. In this, I want it to go under test 2024. So take care of the space bar. If you remember earlier, I had told you that we need to reproduce the organizational unit as we have typed. So we have test space 2024. I'll just copy it one more time and then autofill. And since the password which you have created will be common to everyone, so it is advisable that you allow the users to create their own passwords. So for that, come to column Z, change password at next sign in, and here we are going to enter and autofill. So our template file is ready. Let me save this and close. I'll go back to the admin portal, users menu, bulk update users. So step 1 was download CSV file, where we downloaded the blank CSV template. The next step is add or edit user info, which we have already done. And on to the final step, upload CSV file. So here it is asking us to attach the CSV file. Click and select the CSV file which you have just edited. So this is the file which I want. I'll click on open, and you can see that it has been attached over here. And the last step is to click on the upload button. Unfortunately, I will not be able to click on the upload button because all the users, they will be getting duplicated. So for that reasons, I hope that you will be able to complete this process. Once you click on upload, here you can see that the task menu is there. It will be showing a process running on, and if there is no error in your Excel file, then this will be successful, and you will be able to download a CSV file from here. So like here you can see user info CSV file is ready to download. So I hope that you have followed all the process which I have tried to tell you, and hopefully wishing you all the best to create email accounts without any error. If you have watched the video till here and you think it really helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end.